Welcome to my class, Introduction. Class Standard 9, Subject Mathematics, Chapter name Algebraic Expressions, Exercise 3.1, Lecture 1. This is fully repetition class because this chapter we had already solved in class 8, but that chapter name was Algebraic Formulae and its application. But in class 10, that's mean 9, 10, this chapter name Algebraic Expressions. Okay. Today's lesson to explain algebraic expressions and to expand the formulae of E square by applying algebraic formulae. Formulae, this is a plural form of formula. Okay. Algebraic expressions, meaningful organization of operational signs. Operational mean addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, this sign. And numerical mean number related, like as 1 or 2 or 3. Letter symbols, that's mean A, B, C or X, Y, Z or P, Q, R is called algebraic expressions, such as 2A plus 3B minus 4C here, plus and minus, and also multiplication sign are used, is an algebraic expression. In algebraic expression, different types of information are expressed through the letters A, B, C, P, Q, R, M, N, X, Y, Z, etc. This alphabet are used to solve different types of problems related to algebraic expressions. In arithmetic, only positive numbers are used, whereas in algebra both positive and negative numbers including 0 are used. Definition of algebra, that's mean algebra is the generalization of arithmetic. The numbers are used in algebraic expressions are constants. As for example here 2, 3, 4 that are fixed number, so these are constant and their values are fixed. That means 2, 3, 4 are fixed. The letter symbols used in algebraic expressions are variables. Here A, B, C that are variables. Their values are not fixed. They can be of any value. Clear? Algebraic formulae, any general rule or resolution expressed by algebraic symbols is called algebraic formula. In class 7 and 8, algebraic formulae and related corollaries have been discussed. So today I will explain direct. Here formula 1, A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square means A square plus 2AB plus B square, and also A minus B whole square means A square minus 2AB plus B square. That's mean if we'll put here B is equal to minus B, we'll get this formula. Okay, and you know everyone, A plus B whole square mean A square plus 2AB plus B square. A minus B whole square, this is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. By applying this formula, we can solve what is the square of 4x plus 5y by using formula. That's mean 4x plus 5y whole square, this equal to, can write 4x whole square, that's mean A square plus 2 into A mean 4x plus B mean 5y plus 5y whole square, this equal to 16x square plus 40xy plus 25y square. This is the required answer. Similarly, what is the square of 3a minus 7b? Here used a minus b whole square, this formula. So this equal to, you can write 3a whole square minus 2 into 3a into 7b plus 7b whole square. This is equal to 9a square minus 42ab plus 49b square. This is a required answer. More examples. Find the square of 996 by applying the formula of e square. 996, this equal to, you can write 1000 minus 4. As here is square, so here will be square. This equal to, we can consider a, and this equal to b. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. A mean 1000 whole square minus 2 into a into b. B mean 4 plus b square. That's mean b mean 4 square. Now calculate, we'll get this, and finally we'll get 992016. This is a required answer. And another example, what is the square of a plus b plus c plus d? A plus b plus c plus d whole square, this equal to, we can take ab like as a and cd like as b. So a plus b whole square. This equal to, we can write a square. A square means a plus b whole square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. B mean c plus d. This is again formula. A plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square, and 2 into this and this, multiplying this and this, will get ac plus ad plus bc plus bd. And here again formula, a plus b whole square. A means c, b means d. So this equal to, we can write c square plus 2cd plus d square. Now calculate, we'll get a square plus b square plus c square plus d square plus 2ab plus 2ac plus 2ad plus 2bc plus 2bd plus 2cd. This is the required answer. Clear everyone? By using this math or solution, you can easily solve the math one number in your book, exercise 3.1. Okay. Now again follow the slide. Formula 1, a plus b whole square, this equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And formula 2, a minus b whole square, this equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. From 1, if we'll take plus 2ab, convert into left side, we'll get a square plus b square. This equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. This is a corollary. Similarly, here will be a minus b whole square plus 2ab. This equal to a square plus b square. That's mean corollary 1, a square plus b square, this equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. And corollary 2, here a square plus b square, this equal to a minus b whole square plus 2ab. We will use these two corollary for solving math. Depend on given condition, we'll use this formula or this formula. That's mean if the given condition is a plus b, this equal to something, we'll use this formula. And if the given condition is a minus b, this equal to given something, we'll use this formula. Clear? Corollary 3, a plus b whole square, this equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. But a plus b whole square, this equal to, we know a square plus 2ab plus b square. That's mean this. As we have to prove this equal to this, so for making a minus b whole square, we have to take here a square minus 2ab plus b square. As here a minus 2ab absent, so for vanishing this, we have to take plus 2ab. So plus 2ab plus this plus 2ab will get plus 4ab. Clear? That's mean this equal to, will get a minus b whole square plus 4ab. So this is another corollary. And another corollary number 4, a minus b whole square, this equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. But we know a minus b whole square, this equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. For making a plus b whole square, we have to take here plus 2ab. As here is plus 2ab absent, so we have to take minus 2ab. And this minus 2ab and this minus 2ab will get minus 4ab. And this makes a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Okay. Corollary 5. A square plus b square. This equal to a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Now follow the proof. That's mean a square plus b square, this equal to, will get three corollary. One is this and another one is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Another one is a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Okay. And also after cross multiplication we'll get 2 into a square plus b square, this equal to a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Clear? That's mean a square plus b square related total 4 corollary. Now follow the proof. Formula 1 and 2. One number a square plus 2ab plus b square, this equal to a plus b whole square. And a square minus 2ab plus b square, this equal to a minus b whole square. Now adding this and this cut, here will be 2a square here plus 2b square, this equal to a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. After taking common 2, here will be 2 into a square plus b square and right side will be same. So we can consider this is like as another corollary. Okay. Therefore a square plus b square, this equal to a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square divided by 2. Clear? And you know this because this type of corollary and formula we had already discussed in class 7 and 8. So this is fully repetition class. Okay. Another corollary AB, this equal to a plus b divided by 2 whole square minus a minus b divided by 2 whole square. From formula 1 and 2, same, a square plus 2ab plus b square, this equal to a plus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square, this equal to a minus b whole square. Now subtracting, we'll get, that's mean here will be sign changed, here sign changed, here sign changed. So this cut, this cut, here will be 4ab and right side will be a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Therefore ab this equal to a plus b whole square by 4 minus a minus b whole square by 4. But this equal to, we can write a plus b by 2 whole square because a plus b whole square mean a plus b whole square and 2 square mean 4. Similarly here a minus b by 2 whole square. This is another corollary and you have to remember. Okay. Now formula number 3, a square minus b square, this equal to a plus b into a minus b. This is a mathematical form, and in language the difference of the square of two expressions, this equal to sum of two expressions into difference of two expressions. Another formula, x plus a into x plus b, this equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This is a mathematical form, and in language we can write this equal to x square plus algebraic sum of a and b into x plus the product of the a and b. Okay, you have to remember. Extension of formula for a square, you can use, or you can use a plus b whole square, this formula, no problem. Here a plus b plus c whole square, this equal to, you can write a plus b plus c whole square. This equal to, you can write a plus b whole square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. B mean here c, a mean a plus b. Now calculate, we'll get a square plus 2ab plus b square plus 2ac plus 2bc plus c square. This equal to, you can write a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Therefore a plus b plus c whole square, this equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. If the given expression related three variables, that's mean a plus b plus c, or like this way, we can use this formula. Okay, no problem. From here we can write this part, convert into left side. Left side will be a plus b plus c whole square minus, you can take common 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. That's mean a square plus b square plus c square, this equal to a plus b plus c whole square minus 2 into ab plus bc plus ac. and corollary 8, 2 into AB plus BC plus AC, that's mean this part, this equal to, you can write A plus B plus C minus inside the bracket A square plus B square plus C square, this two corollary. So for solving math we will use this corollary and formula. Okay, example 5, simplify 5x plus 7y plus 3z whole square plus 2 into 7x minus 7y minus 3z. Here 5x, that's mean this part 5x plus 7y plus 3z plus 7x minus 7y minus 3z whole square, that's mean this and this term related. Here two different terms, one is 5x plus 7y plus 3z and another one is 7x minus 7y minus 3z. So for solving we have to let this equal to A and this equal to B. As a result, this equal to and this equal to B. Now putting the value of A and B in this expression, will get A square, that's mean as this equal to A plus 2 into B into A plus this equal to B square. So A square plus 2BA or 2AB, this equal to, we can write A square plus 2AB plus B square, or this equal to, we can write A plus B whole square. A is equal to this, B is equal to this. Now calculate, we will get 7x plus 7y plus 3z plus 7x minus 7y minus 3z. Minus 7y plus 7y minus 3z plus 3z cut, we will get 7 plus 5, 12x whole square. This equal to 144x square. This is the required answer. Clear everyone? So follow this. You can easily solve exercise 3.1 2 number. Okay. Follow another math given A plus 1 by A, this equal to 4. Find the value of A to the power 4 plus 1 by A to the power 4. Given that A plus 1 by A, this equal to 4, as we have to find the value of A to the power 4 plus 1 divided by A to the power 4. So we have to square in 2 times. At first, by squaring on both sides, we will get A plus 1 by A whole square, this equal to 4 square. This equal to, you can write A square plus 2 into A into 1 by A plus 1 by A whole square. That side will be 16. A and A cut, this to convert into right side. As a result, right side will be 14. Again, squaring on both sides, will get this. Okay. Now again formula here, A square whole square, that's mean A to the power 4 plus 2 into A square mean A, B square mean 1 by A square, B mean, and B square mean 1 by A square whole square. 1 by A square whole square mean 1 by A to the power 4. So this square and this square, that's mean A square cut. Here will be only 2. So left side will be A to the power 4 plus 1 by A to the power 4. This equal to 196 minus 2. This equal to 194. Clear? This is a required answer. So the student, now we can easily solve 1 up to 7 in your book exercise 3.1 and submit the copy in the group. Date of submission 1/6/2021, time 11 AM, and everybody will write the formula in your copy and also submit the group. Okay. So to this, thank you to all everyone.